I met a woman over 20 years ago now who introduced me to Tantra. And that was the first time that I had ever had conversations about sex that weren't sophomoric in nature.
Oh, wow.
And yeah, and I remember making a statement saying, "Oh, I'm going to turn this into a career someday," not thinking that was really going to happen. I was an entrepreneur, and I had started some companies and was in the high tech industry. And then over the course of 10 years, I was learning more and more and more, being the engineer, because I want to know everything there is. I decided that I just didn't want to be in the corporate world anymore. I felt like
Yeah.
I was dying, I was smothering in the corporate world. So I
Mm.
burned my bridges and applied my engineering skills to learning about sex and applying it in a practical way for people around sex. And as you say, I've touched hundreds or thousands of people at this point in time, and I've made a big difference in people's lives. That's so much more fulfilling than writing a software package that works in human resources systems or something like that.
Right. Yeah. You
Um,
found your calling.
yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely,
And now you
absolutely.
call yourself the pleasure engineer.
Yes, I'm the pleasure engineer because that's what we do. And with my wife, which is not Leah, with my wife, we work together in a company called Pleasure Movement, which is all about moving pleasure into people's bodies and looking at pleasure in their lives in a way that is going to bring fulfillment and move them forward.